an Ask Girl on how to reduce anterior pelvic tilt. I've got my top off just so I can show you what I mean. Now, anterior pelvic tilt is basically where what will happen is your back is quite tight, or your hip flexors are quite tight, and what happens is you almost enter this position of almost like a duck-like posture. Now, what we want to do is lengthen the front and strengthen the abs. So lengthen the hip flexors and strengthen the abs. So a good way to do this is first of all a leg raise. So from here, what you'll do is you'll take your legs in the air, you'll push your back down, and you'll keep your back compressed against the floor, and then come up, making sure that your back doesn't lift at the bottom. And you might want to do this for 3 sets of 10, nice controlled weight, but the main thing is make sure you can't put your hand under your back. The other exercise to lengthen your hip flexors is reverse Nordic. Now to do this, we're going to kneeling position, push the hips forward, tense up the bum, and then from here what we want to do is go all the way down and then up. But it might be that this is a little bit too difficult to start with, so then all we do is we just go back as far as it's comfortable and then up, gradually improving your depth as you go. Remember, if you've got an Ask Girl, what you need to do is hashtag Ask Girl below, and I'll get to your health and fitness related questions. Thank you.